Hi, friend. Hi, friends. It's Mrs. Huber again. Hope you're doing well. Yesterday, we did a lesson on making seven. Right. Good job. So today, we're going to do another lesson on making eight, and we're going to show all the different ways that we can make eight using our 10 frame and using our number bond. So yesterday, we made all the ways to make seven. If you remember, we had 7 and 0. Right. We had 6 and 1. 5 and 2, 4 and 3. Okay, those are some of the ways that we made seven yesterday. So we're going to make eight. So if you need to pause the video, go get some materials that you can use, find eight of something. So if you have 8 Cheerios and 8 Cocoa Puffs, 8 blue Legos, 8 red Legos, find something that you can use so that way you can do this activity with Mrs. Huber at the same time. So while I do my computer, you're also going to be using it. Remember, you can just make one at home. You don't have to, you can save it. You don't even have to write the numbers down right now. Right now, all we're doing is making and breaking. So you can make the addition sentences if you would like, but for right now, we're just making. So let's go up and get Mrs. Huber's hearts and stars again. So I'm going to start with my heart stickers. Count with me. Let's see how many I'm going to use. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so there are my 8 heart stickers. All right, so if I have 8 heart stickers, do I have any star stickers? No. So I'm going to move my heart stickers. Whoops, not that guy. We're going to move them to my number bond. All right, so that's what 8 looks like. Remember, 8 is the whole 10 frame is almost filled in, except you have 2 empty squares or empty boxes. And a 10 frame, remember, is just to help as a nice, easy way for us to organize our math. It helps us with counting. All right, so there's my 8 stars. All right, now I'm going to break them apart. I'm going to put all the hearts together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so there's our 8 heart stickers. All right, if I have 8 heart stickers, how many stars do I have? I have 0. So let's write this addition sentence. So we would say 8 and 0. Good job. 8 and 0 make or equals 8. All right, let's write this up over on the side. 8 and 0 makes or equals 8. Terrific. All right. I'd like you to clear your board so we can do the next one. All right, Mrs. Huber is going to, let's see, we're going to get rid of our hearts. And then we're going to start and see if we can find another way. See if you can think of what's the next way that we are going to make 8. Kind of go in like a little bit of a pattern, and you kind of see something that's repeating. Evan, can you please go? Thank you. All right, so now let's use my heart stickers. We'll use my 10 frame. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, I'm going to do 7 heart stickers. If I have 7 heart stickers, how many stars am I going to have? If you said 1, good job, right? Because 7 and 1 more makes 8. There it is. All right, so there's my 8 all together. Let's move them into our number bond. Oops, let's get rid of that guy. All right, we're going to move it down. So there's my 8 heart stickers. Not 8 heart stickers, my stickers all together. I don't have 8 of. Oops, don't move that guy. Sometimes it's hard to grab them all. We're moving all of our stickers into our number bond. Remember, this is our number bond, and the red circle is called the total or the whole. That's where we have all of them. And then the 2 smaller ones are the parts. That's where we break them apart. All right, so we're going to put all of our hearts together and all of our stars together. So let's move our our hearts over here. And then we're going to check to make sure we didn't lose any because we still should have 8. that are left that or 8 altogether. We didn't get rid of any. And then let's move our star over here. All right, ready? Let's count all of them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 heart stickers. And how many star stickers? 1. And we would say 7. And 1 more makes 8. Oh, here we go. I'm going to write it up here. 7 and 1 makes 8. Good job. So that matches. So remember, no matter how it is in our number bond, in our 10 frame, we can still do the same in a number bond, and it matches our addition or our number sentence, right? That plus symbol tells us that we're putting everything together. We're adding. And this is just a nice, fun way to show us how to do that. All right, so I'm going to erase, and I'm going to clear my board, and you should be clearing your board also. If you have a piece of paper, you can write down those number sentences, just like Mrs. Huber. All right, and let's go back up to our 10 frame. Let's get our star stickers. All right, here we go. And our heart stickers. Count with me. Let's see how many heart stickers I'm going to use this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to use 6 heart stickers and 1, 2 star stickers. All right, I still have 8, right? When we look up at our 10 frame, 8, you'll have 2 empty boxes on a 10 frame when you show 8. Okay, we're going to move these guys down into our number bond. You should be getting the hang of this now. We're making, and then we're breaking. Right? Big numbers are made up of smaller numbers. So we're finding all the different ways that we can make the number 8. We're doing that by using 2 different kind of objects. All right, so now here's all of mine, right? I have 8 altogether, so I know this is 8. Let's just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, so in my number bond, I have 8. Now I'm going to move them down into my number bond. All my hearts are going over here. Evan, Mommy's doing a lesson. Please be quiet. All right, all my hearts are over here, and now I'm going to move all my stars over here. All right, now let's see how many we have. How many hearts do we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 heart stickers, and we have 2 star stickers. Oh, I got to write what goes in the middle. 6. What symbol do I use? Plus, or we can say and. 6 plus 2. Oops. I did that again like I did last time. 6 and 2. There we go. 6 and 2. I gotta get my pen back. 6 and 2. Whoops, don't do that again. Oh, I keep clicking the wrong thing. 6 and 2 makes or equals 8. All right, let's write it over here. Say it with me. 6 plus 2 equals or makes 8. Nice job. All right, let's erase this. Okay. And we are going to clear our board. I'm clearing my board. All right, so now let's do it again. All right, here's my heart and star stickers. So we did 6 and 2. So okay, let's count with Mrs. Huber. See how many hearts I'm going to use this time. Maybe you already know. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, and now let's do I'm going to do 5 heart stickers. If I have 5 heart stickers, 5 and what makes 8? Let's see. 1. Is it working? Let me touch it again. 1, Oh, well, there he is. 1. It's not working here. 2. Uh-oh, what is going on? 3. I did it. They kind of didn't really go in the right spot. All right, so I have 5 are hearts and 3 are stars. All right, let's move them down. Okay, I'm moving them all to my number bond, to my total. That guy didn't get in the right spot. That's all right. All right, so we have 8 all together. Let's move our hearts. Move our hearts. Okay, and let's move our stars. And let's write our addition sentence. So let's count and see how many hearts we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 hearts. And how many stars? You said 3. Good job. 5 and 3 makes or equals 8. Good job. 5 and 3 equals 8. Good. All right, let's clear our board. And now we're going to move or get rid of our hearts and stars again. Okay, let's go back up here and get our hearts and our stars. All right, let's see. Maybe you know which one I'm going to make this time. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 hearts. If I have 4 hearts, how many stars am I going to need? Right? 4 and 4. Good job. Let's see. 1, 2. What's not working? How come I always at like 3? 1, 2, 3. This does not want to work right now. 3, 4. Kind of small. I don't know what's going on. All right. So I have 4 and 4 hearts. All right. I'm going to move them down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They're kind of tiny this time. So I have 8 all together. Let's move our hearts over here. Make and break, guys. I hope you're doing this along with Mrs. Huber. Kind of going a little bit quicker, but if you need to slow down, you can always pause me. So you can practice doing it also on your own. You'll get a chance to do it more when we stop. All right. So now let's see how many, let's go back up here. How many heart stickers? 4. And how many star stickers? 4. And what does 4 and 4 make? It makes 8. Good job. We're finding all the number pairs for 8, just like Jack Hartman does. And you can listen to the video also if you haven't done so already. All right, so let's write it over here. 4 and 4 makes 8. Good job. All right, let's do another way. Good job. We're almost finished. All right, let's move these. Oh, you know what? Mrs. Huber's computer, it looks like it needs to be plugged in. Uh-oh. Let's not get rid of that guy. All right. Okay, so now Mrs. Huber's going to plug this in really quickly, because if I don't plug it in really quickly, I'm going to lose you. I'm going to pause this for 1 second. Okay, I'm back. I had to fix that. All right, so now let's keep going. Let's get our hearts and our stars. All right, count with me. 1, 2, 3. I don't know why I'm not being able to click this. 3, 4. All right, I have to figure something out here. It's not working right this second. Let me fix it. Hang on. All right, let me start again. All right, so this time, I was doing so well with these. I don't know what's going on. Okay, so here is my 3 heart stickers. Now let's do my star stickers. 1. One, 2, 3. Oh, I'll do that. 4 and 5. All right, so these are not working out too good for right now. I don't know what's going on. All right, let's move our materials down. So move my hearts. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to move all of my hearts together. And my stars. Did I forget a little guy back here? I can get rid of that one. And here we go. All right, so now let's write our sentence. So how many hearts? 3. How many stars? There is 5, even though that one little guy is tiny. 3 and 5. And what does 3 and 5 equal? 8. Good job. And if I wanted to, I could go back and check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, let me start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let me write it. 3 and 5 makes or equals 8. Good job. All right, we're going to clear our boards. Okay, so if you haven't done so or you're doing it right now, clear your boards, get your materials ready. While you're thinking of the next one, okay, think about what would be the next, how many stars and how many hearts do you think I'm going to use next? Let's see. All right, let's go get them. This time, let's see, count with me. 1. My goodness gracious. I was doing so good. So I'm going to have 2 heart stickers, and let's do my star stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm going to have 2 heart stickers and 6 stars. What does 2 and 6 make? You said 8. Good job. You guys are learning all the ways to make 8. All right, we're going to move this all. Oh, not that one. This is a little bit funny, huh, guys? Mrs. Huber sometimes has a hard time moving around the computer. I'd much rather be in the classroom right now, but this is what we have. All right, so here they are. There's 8 in our total. All right, let's move our hearts down. Okay, and our stars. Okay, there we go. All right, now let's write our number sentence to match what we have in our number bond. How many hearts? 2. How many stars? 6. And what does 2 and 6 make? 8. You got it. You guys are getting so smart. 2 and 6 makes 8. Fabulous. Good job. All right. Let's clear our boards. We have 2 more ways to make 8. Remember, the bigger our numbers, the more ways that we can make them. So when we do the number 9, we're going to have more ways. And then when we do the number 10, we're going to have even more ways. Okay, so when numbers get bigger, there's more ways that we can make them with smaller numbers. Okay, let's go back up here. Ooh, let's see. How many hearts am I going to use this time? I'm going to use 1 heart. If I have 1 heart, how many stars do you think I'm going to use? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. right? Because that's what 8 is on a 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 heart and 7 stars. Let's move these guys down. Making and breaking. You guys are going to be so good with all of the ways to make numbers to 10. All right, so now let's move our hearts down and our stars. Okay. And then maybe the next time you can use something different that you're not using today. All right, so now let's get our pen. All right, how many hearts do I have? 1. How many stars do I have? 7. And what does 1 and 7 make? 8. Nice job. Let's write it over here. 1 and 7 makes or equals 8. All right. Guess what, guys? Last way to make 8, right? All right, let's move these guys. Remember, we're using 2 different objects because it helps us to see the 2 different numbers. We don't have to. We could still just use 1 object and then break it apart, but for now we're just doing it with 2 to help us to see. We talked a little bit about that yesterday. All right, so the last one, guys. All right, who thinks they know? What do you think is the last way that we're going to make 8? Last time I had 1 heart and 7 stars. Guess what? Let's see if you know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did I use any stars? I'm sorry, did I use any hearts? Not this time. All right, let's move them down to our number bond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So there's 8. Am I going to put any hearts over here? Nope, I don't have any. So let's move all of our stars over here. We're going to keep the same objects together for this few times. Okay. We're not losing any. We're not getting any more. We're still using 8. Okay, let's write our number sentence. All right, so how many hearts? 0. Good job. How many stars? 8. And what does 0 plus 8 equal? 8. Nice job. We just found our last way. 0 and 8 makes or equals 8. And if you notice, if we look up here at 8 plus 0 and 0 plus 8, right? They're all the same numbers in there. And it doesn't matter if we have the 0 first and the 8 after, or the 8 first and the 0 after. Both of those ways make 8, just like 7 and 1 and 1 and 7, 6 and 2, 2 and 6, 5 and 3, 3 and 5, 4 and 4, and 4 and 4. It's the same number. You can't do anything different with those 2. But doesn't matter if we can still change them back and forth, and they will still make 8. So the same number that is in the same for all of these addition sentences, the one that stayed the same was the number 8. So these are all the different ways to make 8. Let's see how many different ways we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 different ways to make the number 8. And just like we did yesterday, the last thing I'm going to just show you really quickly, that we can still use the same object and break it apart that way. So we had those 8 stars on our 10 frame, and then we brought all those stars into our number bond. But say I want to break up just the stars. Maybe I'm only using stars, okay? So let's see. Let's put a few over here. I'm going to move some to the left. And I'm going to move some over here to the right into my parts. I started with 8. Now I'm breaking it apart and seeing what would be the 2 numbers that could make up the number 8. All right, let's erase this number sentence down here. And I'm going to write the 1 to match. So let's see how many are in this part. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. And how many are over here? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 3 and 5. What does 3 and 5 make? It makes 8. Oh, and look we found that over here. We found that one before. 3 and 5 make 8. So we can use 2 different objects to show us the 2 different parts, or we can use one object and then just break that apart into different ways. Okay, as long as we have 8 of something, we could be doing 8, we could be doing 7, we could be doing 5, we could be doing 9, we could be doing 10. Okay, no matter what, we can always break apart numbers to find the smaller parts. Okay, I hope you enjoyed doing our number 8. The next time we're back doing our math lesson, we'll be doing the number 9. Very, very good. All right, boys and girls, I'm going to give you a big hug. I will see you next time. Bye.